In this episode, we see puppet, and then we see a lot of people around there applauding that puppet show. And this is the exact puppet show which is the son of that main opponent. But now he is making a puppet show, and many people now is liking his show. And in this puppet show, he made Anna and as a character in his show, and then we see Dr. Talma who went there to meet him, and then we see a mansion and a lot of people around there, and this is the exact mansion where this puppet show is happening, and then this is and this man uh, told him, and then Dr. Talma told him that this is Anna. Am I right? And he said yes. And then Dr. Tanma talked to him. Dr. Tanma met him and trying to find out where is his father now, because he knew it very well that now there is something which we can now do it just to ask the exact position that where could we find him. And then we see Anna who is now hospitalized, and Dr. Tanma also met him, and he also showed him that he sort of report that he found from there, which Anna show him. And then we see we see two mans, and then we see Anna laying down on the bed, and then Dr. Tanma showed him a photo, and then Dr. Tanma went to meet that person who is actually the son of real culprit, and but he is not from but he is different from him. He is trying to find out that where could he meet that person. He told him that Anna sent me here to ask you that where is exactly this all fight is going to happen. And then he just showed him that I just know that about this KP, and I just and my I remember that my father talking about them. And then we see two persons, two husband and wife, who actually, and then we see Grimmer who is outside, and there is also raining a lot. And then we see the village, the sack village, where all this murder is going to happen. And then we see Dr. Tanma sitting, and he saw all the books which is written by that main culprit who actually made Anna and Johan a monster, and he is deciding to make them monster. But later on, he changed his mind.